Hello there guys, I want to show you an absolutely fantastic typewriter. I think it's really well built. I think they put a lot of time and creativity into trying to create this machine, and so I wanted to show you guys today this awesome typewriter. I was just kidding. I wouldn't really use this every day because, well, the ribbon is really expensive and it could only type up to 3 or 4 pages of what I heard on a website. And the paper that it can use, because it's also a thermal printer, is receipt paper or fax paper. And see, here's some receipt paper. No, let's show the machine. Alright, so it's just like your regular word processor. You have a setting where you can just type and it comes up immediately on the paper, or you have also a setting where you can turn it on, and then there's a display screen up here, so while you're typing, if you make a mistake, you can always press the backspace button and correct it, but the moment the letter reaches the other side and it gets deleted, it starts printing, so which is a nice feature of what like word processors. Next we have here is the margins. See, this is electronic margin. You go to the space you want, press left margin, it makes no beep sound, and then turn it on. If you want to go to the right, then just press the space bar. Right margin, and then let me demonstrate. I'll backspace a bit, and then space. Yep, you heard the beep? Next I want to show you is this nice calculator that's been built into here. Say I want to do like a multiplication equation. 9 times 9 times 8 times 8. To press the equal sign, and it gives you the number. 5,184, which is neat. It has this little dial here that helps you make it darker or brighter, which is really handy when it's really dark or it's really bright outside. Next thing you have is this repeat button that repeats the next thing you've done. Like say I press shift lock, then shift, press repeat, and it repeats the last function I just did. As you can see, instead of having a knob on this typewriter, there's these little buttons down here which move the platen up and down, which is nice. Okay, so now let's do a quick test type. And here's the result. See, the printing is not too bad. It's just like a regular word processor from the 80s, because it is. So these ep-20s weren't very popular. I can't find a single video of these on YouTube. But now you know I don't like this. Ribbon expensive, the paper's expensive for thermal paper, and the thing is plastic. And that's the video on the ep-20 Brother typewriter.